Good morning, everybody. I am looking forward to seeing you. I am going to be a little bit late to class today. We are going to do something really dumb today. Yeah, I said dumb. That's right. We are going to study something in the Torah where people go dumb, and you are going to understand what that really means. It's not exactly what you think. You're going to look through, I have a video that will talk you through it. You're going to work with a partner. And you will just work your way through this. This is just studying. I want to remind you a couple of things about studying. Always read things out loud. If there's somebody in your group who reads Hebrew, make sure you read it in the English first, then in the Hebrew, because that helps you understand the Hebrew better. We're going back to this idea of Moshe fell on his face. Yesterday you predicted that Moshe, like he literally fell down on his face. Could be true. Some of you predicted that that means something else. We're going to study this of what does it mean for Moshe? Now remember, yesterday we learned that Korach came with 250 men, leaders of the community. We all know that this is not going to go well because I've already told you that. But Moshe could have thought, oh, these are the leaders of the community. Maybe they want to celebrate that we've finished the Mishkan and that we're on their way. It could have been positive. But instead, Korach says, you think you're high and mighty. You think you're better than everybody. And Moshe falls on his face. We're going to study several texts of what that could mean. You're going to study it with a partner. If you are partners with Maddie and Cameron, you're going to need to do it in the Zoom. If you are partners with somebody in the room, you will need to, you might need to still do it with the Zoom so that you can talk to each other across the way. But you'll see on this page that there are boxes in different colors. I want you to read them out loud, watch my little video as you need, and try to answer some of these questions. See if you can figure out what does it mean that he fell on his face? What would it be like for Moshe to fall on his face? All right, I'll see you shortly. Thanks.